Alright, so hey, hi everyone, Pratik here. Today is 19th June 2026. Wait, let me just check. Alright, yeah. So today is 19th June 2026. In morning, I didn't have my DT class of Vijay Sada sir, and I had to study. But you know, I didn't wake up actually. I woke up at 7 and then I slept. And I woke up at around 10 a.m. and then directly yeah, so I did 1 hour of my study session in which I did impairment. So impairment is taking too long time cause it has huge amount of sum and I didn't practice at the time of classes. So it is taking me long time to solve it. But the good news is I have almost completed impairment in days 36 and few of the questions are left which are linked to Index 103. Yeah, that is 110. That is consolidation, which is of NCI and something. Three sums are left, and by that I would be completed by impairment Index. So I went to office at 10. You know, no, sorry, my bad. I went to office at 12. So I, told some reason, and I didn't. I'd actually gone there by 12 p.m. and I left at 8, and I reached home at 8:30. So I left at around 7:30 and I reached home at 8:30. Then I watched BB sir's lecture, uh, that interview of All India rankers, and I had some kind of motivation. And by the time I had almost completed my impairment, just three questions are left, as I said. And apart from that, yeah, so right now I'm at Fire Garden. You can see I'm at open gym. So this is the open gym where people come here and they work out, and it is actually good. So I'm actually here. It's 5-10 minutes that I'm here. I'll work out for like 15 minutes. I'll do some jogging for 15-20 minutes. Then I'll go home. I think I'll reach home at 12:45. I'll be sleeping at 1 p.m. at night. And tomorrow night I'm gonna smash your boy. So I'm gonna smash my studies. We'll do a vlog. We'll again do 12 hours in depth study. So we'll do productive 12 hours study. So that's the plan for tomorrow and day after tomorrow. One more thing. Other thing is we are going to write our first mock of FR. So yeah, big cheers to it. Let's just see how it goes. And by that I would be closing my FR. I would be focusing few 10 days on DT, and then after I'll continue DT and AFM simultaneously. Yeah, so that's the plan. For detailed strategy I will be making video. So this was today's update, and let me know if you have any kind of queries or anything. I don't think you must be watching by now, but yeah, I'm just making this video for myself and for the better better, what I can say, better communication skills which I have to develop. I have a decent kind of communication skills, but yeah, so this is the actual reason. So yeah, thank you, take care, bye bye, see you.